Hello everyone, my name is Mamta Yadav. I am currently studying BBA 4th year last semester. Today in this video I want to say something about the impact of coronavirus in the business environment. So without getting any delay, let's get started. As we all know, currently the whole world is passing through the pandemic named coronavirus, which is also called COVID-19. This virus has affected both our personal and professional lives, and there is no doubt that this virus is going to be a part of our life for a very long time. Following of safety norms, social distancing, regular sanitization and wearing of the mask will become the part of our life. We have to live with these habits. This pandemic has a direct impact on business environment because working model of both the employee and the organization is going to be changed. Employee will work more from home than outside. Similarly, an organization will adopt high utilization of technology because without the use of technology, it will be impossible to run any business, whether it is small or big. Due to this virus, many organizations have got positive impact on their business, as well as many other organizations have got very negative impact on their business environment. Firstly, let me tell you which industries have got negative impact. There is a lot of industries which is passing from a very worst situation. Among them, banks, real estates, entertainment like cinema hall, PVR, Inox. These industries had to bear a great loss. Similarly, travel and tourism industry, airlines, investment banking, retails, construction companies, car manufacturing and selling companies and many others had to bear a great loss due to this pandemic, and the adverse effect of this virus is going to remain for a long time in these industries. Similarly, this virus has also shown a very positive impact on many industries. Among them, the most direct impact of coronavirus falls on pharma industry and medical industry because the medical equipments manufacturing companies such as gloves, masks, sanitizers and medicine manufacturing companies, their production is going to be double. Next industry is home entertainment industry. Firstly, let us know what home entertainment means. It means all those companies which have been making videos games have a huge impact. We can take an example of Netflix, which have been providing home entertainment package, have a very huge impact. Besides this, the other industry is online shopping. This industry is going to grow in very rapid way because today's consumers are afraid to go to the market and to the crowd as well. I have heard that after this virus, Amazon has offered to hire 1 lakh employees, which directly shows how online shopping is going to grow in coming days. Next is online education. Today people wants to buy courses from home. They do not want to go to institutes. Because of this coronavirus, all those people who are living in lockdown are using online platforms for learning and teaching, such as Zoom app and many others. Online education is going to beyond our imagination. It is going to be one of the fastest growing industry, I must say. So these are some of the industries which have a direct impact due to coronavirus. Some industries have positive impact and some industries have negative impact as well. That's all I want to say. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you all liked it. Stay home, stay safe. Bye guys.